In this video, I'm going to show you how to block out dates on Setmore. Now you can actually do this using two different methods, and there may also be more, but I'm going to show you these two because I do think these are the best ones. The first one is you can just come to your calendar over here. You can click on a specific date. So for example, let's say Monday 27th, and then here you can just click anywhere and basically change the time, like from, let's say, I don't know, let's do 12 a.m. to the full max over here, so 24 hours, and then create an event which basically says busy, and therefore you can just create it, and you've basically created a busy day. So as you can see over here, you basically cannot be booked on that day because of course you've blocked out the date. So that's the first way you can do it. However, of course, there's also different ways by, for example, go into the settings tab and then your profile and then time off, and you could click on add time off, and here you could basically set a start date and an end date over here, and then by basically putting on a specific title, you'll be able to add time off and therefore block these dates. Okay, so that's how we can do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.